For reals, we're streaming Cookie Clicker Game Dev, and maybe the Roomba won't unplug the internet again. Ugh. I'm just... Grr. You know? Alright. Let's actually do some game dev. About that. Okay. I've absolutely forgotten what I was doing. I was refactoring things. I was renaming things. That's what I was trying to do. Shh. I was trying to rename the cookie button to something that was... What I think I was saying when my internet died was that I wanted to rename things to not be specific to Cookie Clicker because I have the notion that I'm going to reskin it at some point to not be cookies. How's it going? It's going... I mean, it's Roomba unplugged the internet, so that is how it's going. That's my day. I appreciate that my husband's trying to clean. But maybe don't run the Roomba around next to the power bar that controls the internet while I'm streaming. Anyway. It's not a cookie button, it's a button we're creating. It's a create a thing button. It's a +1 button. I don't know. I'm gonna call it the click this button. That's what we're doing. Your game underscore engine. That's just a label, that's what it says. Where's the rename button? There we go. Pointer. I don't want it to be the pointer count label though, but I don't know. It's gonna be the pointer count label. Baker count label. Baker count label. Baker button. And your pointer count label. Do. That's that, and that's that, and Baker. Okay. Renamed things that generally make sense. Like, oh my god. My pointer button. There we go. Ugh. All right. So, game engine. I want to connect all my signals in the ready function. And I don't remember how to do that, so we're going to look up some documentation. Godot, GodotEngine.org. Here we go. Learn. Getting started. No. Manual. Pilot data. International input handling. Physics. Plugins. Rendering. Scripting. Maybe. Game languages. GT script. We have a search on here. Signals. I would like the tutorial about using signals. And I would like it in the code. Where's the code version of this? Here we go. Okay, connect signals via code instead of using the editor. This is necessary when you create nodes or instantiate scenes inside of a script. Use a different node here. Godot has a timer node. Ooh. It's a signal on reaching. Oh. I bet I don't have to do this on frame updates. I bet I can do my cookies per second a lot easier with that. Okay, great. Good tutorial. Timer, okay. Need to do 2 operations to connect the nodes via code. Need to get a reference to the timer. And call the connect method on the timer's signal. Need to call the connect method of the signal you want to listen to. In this case, we want to listen to the timer's timeout signal. Okay. So we want something like this where we get the node. We don't want node timer, we want node. I want to connect all of these. Okay, and then children gets nodes by their name, for example, if you're named. Okay. All right. And then so then we do I'm gonna call you timer. We're gonna call you oh, you can also use something like $ node that will give you a reference to the node. Or you can control and click and drag the node inside your code? Wait, really? Wait, so if I wanted to get a reference like here. Oh! Wait, so what is this on ready thing? Do I need that? Because I don't need this. But what is this part? Do I need that? What is that? Connect. Button up. It's going to assign it at the same time as the ready function. You can have it as a variable outside your function. Didn't click off the old stream? No, I did not give up. We plugged the internet back in. I was so upset. Our internet's been a bit unreliable lately, and it's just like the internet to the whole house just gives up and goes away. Like, not the router. Whole internet. But today it was just the router. Got unplugged because of the Roomba. Which is a whole new internet problem. My Roomba destroyed the internet. So I could have this as a variable outside my function, and then it could be like a global thing. And this just tells it to happen at the same time as this function. That's nifty. So I could do something like that. What is it angry about? Oh. Is that it? That was it. Okay. And now what are you angry about? Do you wanna... Do you wanna tell... Oh, too few arguments for connect call. Yes, well, I haven't finished filling you in yet. Oh, timer. Okay, it's the okay. Dot button up. There we go. Dot connect, and then it. Oh, okay. Then on click this button up. Also a press signal, and that includes the down and up, kind of like together. Is that better than doing on button up? Basically, I would want it so you have to actually click the button. You can't just hold it down. Although, is that a thing in Cookie Clicker? Can you just hold the button down? I feel like no. Why is my chair squeaking? So annoying. chair's squeaking. Okay, I figured it out. Figured out the annoying sound my chair was making. Test will only trigger when you do the whole motion on down and up. Up might be triggered if you click outside the button. Oh, okay. So I probably don't want on button up. I want pressed. Pressed, and then there we go. Disconnect that. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna slowly get this right. Anyway, I forgot to ask how you're doing, Foolbox. How are you? And thank you for your help. This is so much faster than having to actually look it up. It's great when somebody's got full context for what you're trying to do and can just tell you the exact things you need to type. Because I get the gist of what I need to type, but like the actual syntax of what I need to type. Syntax errors, man. Okay, so then I also have a buy pointer button. Don't need that. And a buy Have I failed at life? I can't seem to control and drag anymore. I did it literally a second ago. There we go. Okay. Now I can do it again. Streamed this morning trying to make a project to OBS to allow me to move my camera around like it's a motorbike in a game. Oh, that sounds fun. So how does one hook up like a game to OBS? How does that work? Because that sounds really fun and like something I want to try later when I'm better at this. Best interactive code thing I've done so far was Twitch chatbots, which is fun. But I feel like game stuff's way cooler, especially if it's visual. Oh, WebSockets. Okay. My god, my arm hurts. Had very intense arm workout last night. My arms are just killing me. Like, I'm just trying to hold them at 90 degrees to type on the computer, and they're just like, no, we don't want to. You did things last night. Not as complex as I thought. Huh. Well, I'm gonna tuck that away in the back of my brain for a later project. Oh. Thank you, I appreciate the sympathy. Oh my god. I didn't know I had so many separate muscles in my arm and that they could all hurt. also need the label and that label and oh, this label. What did I just do? So by pointer button dot rest dot connect. Oops. My pointer button rest. Disconnect that, and I can disconnect that. By Baker button rest dot connect on by Baker button rest and there. How's the coding going? The coding's going fine. You missed the snafu at the beginning though, where the stream died because the Roomba unplugged the router. So my internet went away. So the stream went away. So that's how my day's going. But code-wise is going great. I'm refactoring and cleaning things up. So we're gonna have some nice clean code. I actually don't. No, I'm not receiving labels from. I'm not receiving signals from labels, so that's fine. Okay. Right, okay. So now I need to do a similar thing for my labels. Rename. Total count label. Okay. Game engine dot. I've made signals in game engine called. Someone wants to listen to count updated. Connect to on counter just on count dated. There we go. That'll work. Buns are baked, time to clean. I did cleaning today. Ugh. Mop my floors and everything, so it smells so nice and clean in here. Just on a cleaning spree. The house is clean, the code is clean, everything's clean, it's glorious. Okay. You're not sending a signal though, you're receiving a signal. Disconnect that. Okay, wait, and then game engine dot num pointers updated. Wow, not me naming things. Oof. This mixed case, okay. We're renaming this. There's a rename symbol? Ugh, okay, fine. Pointer count. Okay, pointer count updated. Pointer count updated dot connect to on pointer count updated. Control D for rename. Yeah. I was just hoping there was a thing that, like, press F whatever to rename the symbol and it would just do that. Rather than having to find all instances of. That's all right. Control Shift F? Oh, maybe. Alright, now I just need to do the baker count label the same way. Right. gotta name this again. Oh, wait, no, that's not fine. That's, replace? Yeah, you know what? I'll just Control D them all. It's fine. Ooh, Baker count. Okay. I now have no signals connected through the IDE. Is that what this is called? I don't know. So in theory, this still works exactly the same as it did. So let's find out. Nope. Nope, we crash. Total count label. Oh, right here. Cannot convert argument 1 from string to callable. Oh, is it because it has an argument? Let me read the documentation. Remove the string? Oh! Good grief. Really? Use the function of... Fine. Just go through and fix... all of that. Okay. I don't mind the help. For like little things like remove the quotation or like make it not a string, like that is immensely helpful. If it's... oh, well that hasn't worked. I'll have to take a look at my button disabling. If I'm like trying to figure out how to solve a problem, like algorithmically, I want to do that by myself, but if it's something small like you're missing a semicolon or you've got too many quotes or something, you spelled something wrong, like that is very helpful. If I seem grumpy, I'm being grumpy at myself. Or, making foolish little errors. Okay, so my button disabling is not working. But besides that, it's mostly working. Alright, I've connected my pointer button incorrectly somehow. Why have I gone and done that? Why did I just disable it in the ready? That's so weird. Oh, because it should be disabled right at the beginning. That's why. That's why. Okay, never mind. I do want you disabled right off the bat. But then this isn't happening properly. Because I... don't really know why. We'll troubleshoot it. Okay, well... I think my pointer count updated isn't sending properly. Or my count updated. Okay. Remitting. Is it because... oh. Because I didn't actually hook it up, did I? It's not gonna work too well if I don't connect the signal. That seems better. Okay, let's try this again. So far, so good. We get 10, yes, and then we can buy a pointer. And our pointer's label goes up. And in theory, we eventually get... yes, there we go. One more cookie. Aha! Okay, we're back to where we were. Okay. Oh, oh my god. Ugh. Everything hurts. Now, I do want to make it so that cost increases each time you buy something. I can type, I swear. So subtract the pointer cost, emit that signal. Increase the pointer count, emit that signal. Pointer cost will become pointer cost times 1.1. Increase 10% each time? Sure. And then I'll need to tell the button how much it costs now, so it can display that. And I also need to do this for the baker button. It's updated. Hang on. New cost. What? Price. We're making this word price. This is. I don't like this. pointer count price, okay. Oh, it's just text. Text equals pointer dash how do I do string concatenation? Can I do it like Python where it's just like that? I feel like that's not gonna work. Yeah, no, that does not work. That should be going up. Oh, right. I remember I learned this the other day. Uh-huh. Oh, you know what? I'm not emitting with the price updated. Haha. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to send that signal. Oh my god, it works! Oh wait, I'm adding too much. It became 21. I want it to become 11. Oopsie. No. Not plus and becomes just equals point of price times 1.1. There we go. And I need that to be an int. Keep your code clean, it's easy for me to jump in. You should see my monsters. Well, I'm trying to prevent this from becoming a monster because it was getting that way last time. And I like clean code. You know? It's a thing that I'm advertising about myself. I like clean code. But I'm going to emit this as part of the setup. And that should not give it a price right off the bat. But it does go up by the 10% that I wanted. So at least there's that. I guess this isn't... So what I want is when the scene loads in, this game engine will just tell the button what price to display. But I guess doing that on the ready function is not reliable because it's when this node enters the scene, and it doesn't there's no guarantee that the button is already in the scene to receive the signal. Okay, I'll have to give a think about that. Ready in Godot works upward? What does that mean? Oh. So if I make things children of the game engine, they'll be ready first? Ah. So if I reparent to game engine. Ah, okay. Can I just do it like... Look at that. I don't care about these other things, they're just labels. So does that mean that this will work? Ooh, nope. Oh, is that going to work for connecting signals, though? Everyone's game engine changed. Oh. Oh. So is it like that now? Okay, okay, okay. Learning so much. Oh, does this mean all of these references are going to break too? Probably. Yeah, okay. Which means... So... Okay, so it's literally just get rid of this bit. And then this should work. Oh, this is promising. Buy a pointer. And my number of pointers go up. I want to see this number go up on its own. Try to only have reference going down the nesting because you can't always guarantee what the parent will be. Okay. And the price is going up. Amazing. It's actually working. Incredible. More of a best practice. Okay, well, I'm trying to learn best practices along with this. And that makes sense that you wouldn't... What you're saying makes sense. So I'm probably gonna have to rethink how I want to do this again. Well, that might be a next time problem. So for now, this is working. And I'm feeling good about it. It means I can get rid of this, because it doesn't do anything. Oh. Never mind. I can't get rid of that. I need that. And that's just an arbitrary value that's in there right now. That's fine. And we need to do this again. For the baker button and any other shop button that we want to add. Oh my, excuse me. I have hiccups. That track is way louder than everything else. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oops. Emit. Okay, haven't broken anything. And then this also means that for testing purposes, I should be able to just change that there. And it should be updated. Or not. Oh, swept towels, soaking, time to sit and knit. Sounds like a good plan. Did I not? Did I not omit your price? Oh wait. Haha. I'm not, I'm not listening to the signal. That would be a problem. Problem? Yeah, I'm so French. Oui, oui, j'aime le fromage. Okay, I think that's everything. Woo! Baker, oh, that's not gonna fly. Okay, that's promising. Oh, and it says it's 10. Look at that. And my baker rate has a faster... They make more cookies faster. Ha! Magic. It's working, guys! Learned it a long time ago. Haha. So long. I haven't done a French class since high school. Oh. Still have to go dancing for 3 hours tonight. I get to DJ the dance tonight. I'm so excited. My little teenager heart is so happy. I get to DJ a West Coast swing social dance tonight. And I made a playlist of as much like early 2000s top 40 hits as I could, as I was allowed to. My little teenage heart is so happy. Some notes about what I wanted to do. Vector into game engine. Okay, I kind of already did that. Signals and code. Yeah, we've done that. Well, I'm kind of done all the stuff I wanted to do today. That took way less time than I thought. I guess we can add some more shop buttons. Sure, let's add some more shop buttons. How many... I have Cookie Clicker open in another tab. How many... Oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, and upgrades. I'll need an upgrade mechanic, but I only have half an hour left today, so I don't want to start doing the upgrade mechanic just right now. Yeah, I actually made a to-do list for the stream today. Look at me being so prepared. Some Aqua on the playlist? There actually isn't, but there is Spice Girls and S Club. I know, well... Next time. Maybe I can get some Aqua on there for next time. I have to make sure it's not too fast as well, because there's a limit to how fast you can dance this style of dance. Okay, we're adding another shop button. What does Cookie Clicker have after the grandmas, which I'm calling Baker's Farms? Farms. I'm not gonna have a farm though, we're gonna have another loud track. I will equalize those tracks one day. Instead of a farm, we can have a greenhouse. We grow our cookies in a greenhouse. Can I copy and paste? Did that work? Did I put it somewhere? No. Okay, but you're an invisible button. Well, that's not useful. I wanna, there we go, delete. I suppose there's a duplicate, a copy paste. Oh, you know what I could do? Because a lot of these shop button things are very samey. And in fact, with the exception of the name of the signal they're listening to and the text on the button, they're the same. Which leads me to think that I could make a shop button class? I want to say class, but I don't think that's what it's called in Godot. A scene? That seems like I should. Seems like something I could do with half an hour, 20 minutes. Now, how do I do that? Some resources, no. Okay, child scene. Change the to parent, make scene root, save branch as scene. Maybe I want to do that. I think I want to do that. Going to be a buy thing button. And we can rename this to be a buy thing button. There we go. So now if I go back to this scene, I should be able to just... I think I can do that? I've added a buy thing button. And we were adding a greenhouse, so buy greenhouse. Oh, no, never mind. That's not... Hang on. It's not how I want to do that. How do I... Spy thing button has the script that I want. But if I go into this scene, this is not what I want. Oh, wait. Hang on, hang on, hang on. That's not what I want. I'm gonna figure out the nice way of doing this so I can just add shop items willy-nilly. No, wait, hang on. That's not what I wanted. That isn't what I wanted either. Item text. Oh, God, no, I do want that. Just one. Then don't want this. Just make price 10, whatever. I come back to the scene, my regular scene, and then I add a buy thing button. And I extend the script. Don't extend button. I want to extend buy thing button. How does that work? That's not gonna work at all, is it? How does inheritance work? Let's read the documentation and find out. Okay, I do need to inherit from button. But if I've got this script over here. I want to extend this script. And it seems like there should be a way to do that. I'm trying to figure out what that is. No, wait, not that one. Okay. And one class name. So like class name by thing button. Ah, okay. Yeah, probably. Buy button. That's probably a better name for it. And then I should be able to extend buy button, which should have 90% of the code that I need already. I just need to oh, for the love of... I've been messing around with my Baker button script, not the... Been messing around with the wrong script. Grumble, 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 grumble. I think. God, I don't even know. What is going on? Why are there... God damn it. This is not what I wanted. Back the way it was, because I broke it. Okay. Okay, but in this scene, I have this button. so I want all that in oh, no, here. Okay, class name, buy button. Apparently we're not using process. Can't attach that. Plus I text plus okay. And now that we've extended buy button, in theory, all I need to do is attach that. And I don't need that. Oh, and I need, item text already exists in the parent class. Okay. Oh, right. I don't need to redefine it. I don't need the var. I guess that probably needs to happen in ready. Okay. This might be needlessly complicated. Oh, wait. I haven't created that signal. That's why. That's why it's upset. The signal doesn't exist. For testing purposes, I'll do that. And that. Do that. No, dot rest. Connect. Oh. What are you upset about? Oh. Okay. Does that maybe work? Okay, I've broken my baker button, but it kind of works. It kind of works. All right. I'll have to take garbages. I have fun with your garbages. I will have fun. I am having fun. I'm making greenhouse buttons. I think I might have to remake my baker button. Because I think this has just become the buy thing button. Interesting, interesting. Okay. I think I've just about got this figured out because the greenhouse button works. So if I remake my baker button and my pointer button, so if I do this, and extend the script. Inherits by button. But all this needs to do now Pointer. Pointer. And then this pointer button can go away. Nope. Oh, is it because I have quotes here? Nope. Oh, what are you up to? Why? But I've done you the same as the greenhouse button. Do I need to drag this? Because you're by pointer button 2. Try that again. Hey! Okay, this disable thing doesn't work. On count updated, so that means on count. No. Just count updated. Mid count. And then maybe? No. Do I think I need to still connect my signals in each individual thing? That would make sense, that I would need to connect my signals in each individual thing. Because I need to connect my signals in each. Okay, well, you can go away then, because I don't need that. Need to connect the signals in each instance. Oh, I've very broken it now. Oh, no, I haven't. That's the wrong scene. Nope, still broken. Oh, because I haven't, Knock off. Everything stop. Just... Okay. There we go. And that makes things go up. Breaking everything is the first step to making everything work again. Exactly, see? Everything works again. Everything works again great. Alright. I'm going to finish fixing my buttons, but then I have to wrap up for the day. Okay. This needs to go away. And then I need a new button. You're going to be the... rename. You're going to be the by Baker button. Extend script. Baker and Baker. There we go. I should maybe put my buttons in the right places. How about that? Ah, look at that. They actually like look the same size and everything, and I can like style them to be all the same. Isn't that gonna be amazing? And then I can do things like make that 1 and 10 and 100 for testing purposes. Actually, no, that's still gonna be 10 for testing purposes. Okay, and then I can buy 1. And I can have 10. Oh, and my baker's label still works. So I just need a greenhouses label. And then everything's great. You're the greenhouse count label. I'm going to start with value of 0, because why not? Cool. Let's scoot you up a bit. That's better. And then if we come back over to scripts, I need to put that in there. So we have a greenhouse count label. And you need to have a script attached. I can actually get rid of that. Count update. I actually don't need any of that. Suppose this is another thing that I could make a scene out of and replace them. But that is a next time thing. I just want to see this work. Yeah! Cool. It's working, guys! I'm so excited. I am unreasonably excited. Watch me get an overflow error at some point. Like, this is absolutely going to break when it gets up to some ridiculous number. But that is a later problem. In the meantime, it's working. Yeah. Cool. Well, I guess it's time to wrap up because I need to find some dinner. So thanks for hanging out on the stream. I learned to refactor things and attach signals in code. And what else did I learn? I learned about click and drag, or control click and drag to reference things, which is super useful. And I learned how to make classes and inherit from them, which I'm going to do next time with my labels. So then it'll be so easy. Excuse me. It'll be so easy to add shop items. Okay. Yeah. What else did I have to say? Oh, I'll be back on Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern for Dwarf Fortress Friday. And to celebrate reaching the follower goal, my follower goal? We reached a follower goal. And so to celebrate, I'm doing Dwarf Fortress on hard mode. So I will turn off the tile set. I will play with the OG ASCII art. And I will embark in the most difficult, violent location that I can find and probably die very, very quickly. And it'll be fun. and I'm sure everybody will know exactly what's happening with the ASCII art. So that's Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern. In the meantime, I have the various social media. Follow me, I guess. I don't know. I post things sometimes. And if you're just here for the game dev, we'll be back next Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern for probably finishing out the functionality of Cookie Clicker. And then I guess I'll have to figure out art. Which is gonna be a whole nother thing. So yeah. Thanks for hanging out, everybody, and I'll see you Friday or next Wednesday. Bye!